If you don't know this these days, you're missing out. How to make $1,000 a month with just one smartphone, invest just 3 minutes. You can be a digital nomad too. Hello, I'm Name Channel Name, a digital survivor and researcher of realistic ways to make money. Today's topic is one that many people are curious about. Can you make $1,000 a month with just one smartphone? I'll tell you the conclusion first. It's possible. However, you have to do it how it works. You can't just vaguely write a blog or shoot a video. You just have to understand the money flow structure and practice just 3 things. First, selling digital products. This is the hottest revenue model these days. It's about organizing know-how into a PDF and selling it as an ebook or lecture. For example, Instagram growth method, blog money making know-how, one-person business design method after quitting a job. What if you organize these things on your smartphone, make covers, and upload them to the market? Even if you sell just a few books a day, your sales will pile up. In fact, my friend consistently earns $100.2 million a month by selling 23 books a day. Second, video content monetization possible with just a smartphone. These days, Shorts, Reels, and TikTok are all edited with smartphones. Short informational videos, review videos, routine videos, etc. You can film and edit them with just a smartphone. The key here is monetization connection. Product review plus affiliate link, lecture guide video plus purchase inducement, subscriber acquisition plus membership operation. The key is to connect the content to the profit structure like this. Third, one-person knowledge consulting or mentoring business. You don't have to be an expert. For example, how do I start a one-person business after quitting my job? What should I do to make money with a blog? If you can answer these questions, you can create and sell a knowledge mentoring product. These days, everything from Kakao Talk consultations, Zoom mentoring to Instagram DM coaching is all possible with a smartphone. In fact, around me there are full-time moms who earn $300 a month by selling ebooks on their smartphones, office workers who make money by making short videos on the subway while commuting to and from work, single-person entrepreneurs who quit their jobs and make a stable income by mentoring and consulting with just a smartphone. There are so many people like this. Everyone. What's important is not the equipment or specs, but understanding the profit structure and the ability to execute it with a smartphone. Start one at a time from this moment. Want more real-life cases and tips? Like, subscribe and set notifications. Please click. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will answer them. A digital nomad who earns $1,000 a month with just one smartphone, you too can become one. Get ready now. Those who want to grow together, I will connect you directly to subscription newsletter lecture link.